Hello, hello! Today we are going to Jemeluk wall. That's what I told you yesterday, and the plan is not changed. We're going there and we're gonna do a side mount dive, so we have a lot of air, and we're going to swim all the way to the end of the Bunutan beach, where we starting Bunutan beach, dive towards Lipa beach. Pretty strange explanation, but trying to say we're gonna do a really long dive. I'm not sure it's gonna be a drift. Probably we have to kick a lot to get to the exit point, and the dive gonna be, I don't know, probably 2 hours, but we'll see how the thing's going. Beautiful place. The guys another day just got out a net from there. The net was covering some portion of this wall, all this yellow beautiful fun corals. We're trying our best, believe us. There are a lot of nets, and I think it's just because there are many fishermen at the moment who don't have the experience. There's no excuses about that, because they're creating a lot of damage, but we're just trying to be really patient and do our best. Even we're investing and no one is paying us for this, taking these nets out, but I think that's really our responsibility, and that's why we do it, and we're gonna keep doing it. We are not going to stop just because, I don't know, it's not my business. It's definitely my business, or anyone who's diving, to solve this problem. And that's the thing, is that no one is doing by reason all this stuff. It just simply, it's the same like, for example, when the kids do something wrong, they don't do always it by the purpose, it just simply happen. Now that's how I'm feeling about this stuff at the moment. So we will have this long drift. That will be also a good way how to observe the reef. We'll see how how the reef looks like, and if we will find another net, then we will go another day and we'll get it out. Anyways, it's a beautiful place. The thing is that I've never been diving in Rajampat. I've been diving only Papua New Guinea, but I can imagine, because pretty same area, really different. Hard corals, fun corals, wall, everything. In Rajampat you don't have that things in one place, in such a small place, in such a compact place, all the things in one. So stop talking and let's go diving. That was really long dive, 132 minutes. We started from Jemeluk, BLD, if you know where is it. I mean, it's a little bit more far than the official place where everybody started diving in Jemeluk beach. And we swam all the way to the point where we usually start the Bunutan dive site, which is I don't know, maybe like more than around 2 kilometers. Maybe I'm wrong. I will measure it on a map and then it will be here. But very long dive site. The beginning, boring. I mean, the sandy area in Jemeluk where we're usually teaching people, boring. Then we approach the wall. On a wall we went down all the way down to 42 meters, so we explored almost all the length of the wall. Then we started ascending, switched to Nitrox 50. Then we swam pretty long time at 15 meters and ended up in a shallow area where it's this beautiful corals, which is around 6 meters. Beautiful dive site. I would love to skip some portion of it, especially the last portion, which is really sandy and absolutely nothing to see there. But anyways, there's a grass growing and we saw some turtles.